Picture this, right? You're a busy professional. Your schedule is absolutely packed back to back. And then you suddenly realize you need a medication refill. The absolute last thing you have time for is driving all the way to the pharmacy, standing in a ridiculously long line, and just hoping it's ready. Well, if you have ever felt that exact frustration, you are definitely in the right place. Welcome to this explainer, where we're going to walk through the ultimate time-saving solution for managing your medications. Okay, let's dive right into this. Today, we are looking at exactly how to refill a prescription online at Walgreens. We're taking a detailed, step-by-step look at their digital pharmacy ecosystem. As you'll see, it is incredibly convenient and efficient to manage your health straight from your computer or smartphone. So, here's our roadmap for today. First, getting started with the basics. Then, quick guess and scan refills. Third, unlocking full account features. Next up, pickup and delivery options, and we'll wrap up with some important safety and pro tips. All right, part 1, getting started, the basics, what you need before you begin. So before we jump right into the system, let's make sure you actually have the right tools. You'll need an active Walgreens prescription and your prescription or RX number. You can easily find that right on your medication bottle. You'll also need a compatible device, so a smartphone, tablet, or computer. And crucially, you really need to ensure you have a secure internet connection. Because we're dealing with highly personal health data here, a private, secure network is strongly recommended over, say, the public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. Moving on to Section 2, quick guest and scan refills, the barrier-free method. Okay, if you're in a rush and you don't want to create a full account right away, Walgreens offers this Guest Express refill option. And the absolute fastest way to do this on your phone is the Refill by Scan feature. The interface is just brilliantly simple. You just open the app, tap the Refill by Scan icon on the home screen, and boom, your camera automatically opens with this little framing overlay. You just align the barcode on your prescription bottle inside that box, and the app reads it instantly. There's even a little flashlight toggle right there on the screen just in case you're trying to scan it in a dimly lit room. Now, once that barcode is scanned, the app actually uses your phone's GPS to automatically identify the closest physical Walgreens store, and it defaults to that as your pickup location. It also defaults your pickup time to the next business day, specifically 2 hours after the pharmacy opens. So that's usually 10 a.m. for 24-hour locations. But hey, if that doesn't work for your schedule, you can easily tap to manually change both the location and the time before you submit the order. But let's pause for a second and compare your options here. Guest Rapid Refill? Fantastic for quick access. You just need your RX number, and it's practically instant. However, doing this as a guest means you can really only pick up in store. And you've got to remember to request it manually every single time. On the flip side, registering for a full account unlocks incredibly robust features. We're talking 18-month history tracking, automatic refill reminders, convenient home delivery options, and even the ability to manage prescriptions for your whole family. Let's look at how to actually get that set up. Section 3, unlocking full account features. Accessing robust pharmacy tools. Taking just a few minutes to set up a full account is a total game changer, and the process is pretty straightforward. First, you register your basic info on Walgreens.com. Next, head over to Manage Your Prescriptions and hit Join Now. You'll be asked a few identity verification questions. This is very similar to what your bank uses to confirm it's actually you. And then you'll just enter an 8-digit activation code. Let's clarify what that code actually is. The activation code is a unique 8-digit computer-generated number that acts as this critical security layer. The really important detail here is that the phone number you call from to establish this code must match the primary phone number saved on your account, so usually your home or primary cell phone. This ensures that your highly sensitive medical data is safely released to you, and absolutely nobody else. And once you're fully authenticated, you get this powerful dashboard right at your fingertips. You can easily transfer prescriptions from other pharmacies just by taking a quick picture of the label. You can set up 90-day supplies and auto refills so you literally never run out. Want text alerts? Super easy. Just text JOIN-RX to 21525. Plus, you can update your health history, add any new allergies, and even set a preference to always get easy open caps on your bottles. Section 4, pickup and delivery options. Getting your medication. All right, when it's time to actually get your medication in your hands, you've got multiple fulfillment options. If you choose in-store or drive-through pickup, you'll select your preferred date and time during checkout. Now, the system will often default to a reasonable preparation window, usually about 2 hours after the pharmacy opens the next day. This just gives the staff ample time to accurately and safely fill your order. But what if you can't leave the house, or you're stuck at the office? Walgreens actually offers same-day delivery, and the fee for that premium convenience is exactly $5.99. The best part? No special membership is required to use this service, which is incredibly handy for those urgent situations when you simply can't get away. So let's break down all the delivery options real quick. Same-day delivery is $5.99, but remember, you need to place that order at least 3 hours before the pharmacy closes and no later than 7 p.m. 1 to 2 day delivery is just $3.99, though this can sometimes be subject to your specific insurance coverage. Finally, standard 5 to 10 day shipping to your home is absolutely free. But one really important caveat to remember here: temperature-controlled medications like certain insulins are not eligible for delivery, so definitely keep that in mind when planning. And finally, Section 5, Important Safety and Pro Tips, maximizing your online pharmacy experience. You know, sometimes technology requires just a little bit of patience. If you're setting up your account and you see a verification in progress message, don't panic. It just means a representative is manually matching your information behind the scenes to ensure your absolute security. This usually resolves within about 3 hours. And here's a pro tip for you. If you urgently need a refill while you wait for that verification to clear, you can actually still use the Guest Express refill system in the meantime. Let's talk about data privacy for a second, because it is paramount. Walgreens is required by strict federal laws to protect your health information. The data you enter during identity verification is used exclusively to confirm it's really you. It's never stored for reference, and it's never sold to third parties. Also, a quick troubleshooting tip. If you ever reset your password and happen to fail the security questions, for your own protection, the system will wipe your saved credit cards, and you'll just have to re-enter them. If you ever get stuck on any of this, their customer service line is extremely helpful at 1-877-250-5823. As a quick reminder, based on our source materials, please always consult your healthcare provider for specific medical advice and adhere to all guidelines for safe medication use. Digital tools are amazing for the logistics, but your doctor is always your absolute best resource for your actual healthcare. So, we've walked through the entire process, right from quick guest scanning all the way to unlocking the powerful benefits of a fully registered digital pharmacy account. The tools are right there on your phone or computer, they're built with bank-level security, and they're designed to fit perfectly into a busy lifestyle. So, are you ready to reclaim your time and master your digital health journey today? If you found this explainer helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your daily life. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.